Hi folks, I hope all of you are doing well. So in this video on the weekly analysis, we are going to talk about what happened last week, briefly how the charts are looking like now, and what is the action plan for the coming week, right? I'm also going to talk about the two trades that we took, the PSUBs that I went long on, and also the debit spread that we had. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'll start with the Bank Nifty chart. So now we have a clear-cut breakdown, two massive red candles coming in. So the previous pivot low, which was around this area, has been broken, right? So now on the daily time frame, we can very clearly say that the downtrend is started, right? So in terms of trading, so this was the previous pivot low, and this has very decisively been broken. The next support that I can see is around this area, which is 37,500, right? But I mean, okay, we are getting into a down move, but how do I play next week? How do I trade next week? So my idea is that on Monday, I'll keep very low volumes because before budget, I don't want to. I mean, there's not going to be much, to do in options if the volatility keeps on going up. So keep the volumes low on Monday. Tuesday, I'll probably be doing Fin Nifty expiry because this is one thing that will not be affected by the budget volatility, right? So we'll get good opportunity here. Rather than doing Bank Nifty, I would prefer doing Fin Nifty trades on Tuesday. On Wednesday, that's the big day, the budget day. Again, if the opportunity presents, I would want to take some short vol trades here, right? Short volatility and hope to, I mean, manage it. The important thing is you have to go in with a plan. So any budget day, what I would recommend folks is that do not trade randomly. Go in with a very set plan of action. You know what is to be done when. Generally, you'll get both sides movement, so it could be difficult to manage the positions. So have a plan in place for the budget, right? That's one thing. Second is keep your risk management in mind, right? Do not oversize, do not take big positions, right? Because the premiums are going to be higher than usual on a Wednesday because of the budget announcement. So keep your position size accordingly, probably slightly on the lower side. And it is also okay to not trade on the budget day, right? If you do not have a plan, there's going to be a lot of volatility. If you feel that no, it's not something that you'll be able to handle, it's perfectly all right to kind of sit out, right? So that's the thing. And Thursday again, obviously we have expiry, so expiry things will be at play. That's the plan for the coming week. And let's quickly look at Nifty as well. So again, a breakdown, clear breakdown. Nifty is from the high. If you look at it, I think Nifty is slightly more in the red compared to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also catching up though. But yeah, so the trade here is obviously to sell on the rise, but I'll not be doing that before budget. So I'll still wait for a few more days to kind of let the trend set in. Only after budget will I take a call what is to be done. Right. Biocon has been on our radar for a while, so again we got a nice red candle here. So we're moving towards this weekly support zone of 210, 220. We are at 235. So a wait and watch, probably another couple of weeks. We should, if we see this, then we'll have some action here, right? So this is it, guys. And in terms of the trades, I was able to take out the trade books to just so that we are able to see what was it like. So PSUBs was one trade that I had taken, right? So there were two things that we did. One was we went long, we took PSUBs, which is an ETF. And the second thing was we also did a debit ratio spread, right? So अभी एक बार let's quickly see what happened with these trades, right? It will be a good learning for all of us. So PSUBs again. So what I've done is I've taken the trade book, whatever we've bought, sold, price, quantity, and I've put it here to calculate uh, the weighted, the average price, right? So in terms of buying, I bought this across multiple dates, and so the total quantity was 4,83,403. So I've put this here. So this was the total buy quantity for PSUBs. The total turnover was 2 crores 26 lakhs. Average buy price was 46. Similarly, I've calculated the for the trades on the sell side. So again, the entire quantity was sold. So I did this uh, yeah, on 27th. So yeah, on Friday, yesterday only, right? So I waited for the first half an hour, 1 hour. Once the low was broken, I took the exit from this trade. I'd also posted this on Twitter. So so I closed the position at 2 crore 10 lakhs approximately. So incurred a loss of almost 16 lakhs here. Although I had short positions in some of the calls, but nothing significant. So once it started going down, I started shorting some of the calls like 44,000, 43,000 call and all. But nothing significant. So this is what the loss was on PSUBs. I also closed the bank Bs that I was holding. So for guys who've been following me, you would know that I had bought some bank Bs into 2021, right? So did the same thing. So I had bought around 50,000 quantities at 1.65 CR. Closed them yesterday at an average sell price of 412.8. So made a neat profit here. Nothing significant again. I mean, the holding period here was around, I would say, around 18 months, right? And so, in terms of profits, if I look at it, the return is around 24%, which is not bad actually for a 18-month period investment. You're getting a 24-25% return, which is pretty decent, right? The good thing is in bank Bs, you generally get around 85% margin if you pledge it. So that money was anyways being utilized to trade as well, right? So this return is, I mean, even more important in that sense that this the entire capital was not lying idle. That was also being used for the purpose of trading, right? So yeah, so in terms of long term now, I'm not really holding too much, right? This was the biggest, the other bet that I had on bank Bs, which also I've exited. I'll be looking to buy if I get a reversal again, maybe around these levels that I've talked about, 37,500, or from here also if we see a decent reversal, change in trend, I might want to get in again. But that's wait and watch for now. I've exited. So that's it, guys, for this week. Please do like, share, and comment on the video. Also, a couple more important things. So, we're coming out with a Telegram group. Link for that is in the description box. Check it out if you're interested in joining that. Also, last 2 days left for the course, which is starting from Feb 1st. So, if you have not checked that out yet, that link is also in the description box. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.